Do you want to live a long and healthy life, or perhaps you're in the market for a new set of lungs? Just kidding, we don't sell those here. Imagine the world if we did, though. It's a little bit of humor to lighten the mood, but let's get to the heart of the matter. Today we're embarking on a journey, an unexpected one, a journey towards a healthier, happier you. It's not about turning back the clock, but rather making the most of the time we have. It's about longevity, vitality, and feeling good in your skin, no matter your age. It all starts with a balanced diet. No, we're not talking about balancing a donut in each hand, though that does sound like fun. We're talking about real, nutritious foods. Foods that are packed with the good stuff. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and all those fancy words that basically translate to health in a bite. Picture a plate filled with vibrant colors, the deep green of broccoli, the fiery crimson of bell peppers, the sunny yellow of sweet corn. These aren't just pretty to look at, they're the building blocks of a healthier you. Now let's spice things up. Garlic, for instance, is not just for warding off vampires, although that's a handy side effect. It's also a powerhouse of health benefits. And black coffee, it's not just a morning wake-up call, it's a treasure trove of antioxidants. And let's not forget the mighty salmon, fresh from the ocean. This isn't just any fish, it's a lean, mean omega-3 machine. It's the superhero of the seafood world, donning a cape of heart-healthy benefits. But it's not just about food. Regular exercise, whether it's Nordic walking or cross-training, is also key. It's about getting your heart pumping, your muscles working, and your endorphins flowing. And above all, it's about a positive mindset, because when it comes to health, attitude is everything. But remember, folks, while we're all for health and longevity, we're not promising immortality. After all, even broccoli has its limits. Ever wondered why your mum forced you to eat that green tree-like vegetable growing up? No, it wasn't a cruel joke. Let's talk about the mighty broccoli, a superhero of the vegetable kingdom, and its trusty sidekick garlic. You see, these aren't just your ordinary run-of-the-mill veggies. They're packed with superpowers that could make even Superman green with envy. Imagine broccoli as the Hulk, its green power coming from a compound called sulforaphane. This stuff is like a bodyguard for your cells, warding off harmful substances that can lead to diseases like cancer. It's also a pro at keeping your heart in tip-top shape. Now let's not forget about garlic, our very own invisible woman. Why invisible, you ask? Well, its superpowers are often overlooked. But don't be fooled, this small and mighty bulb is a force to be reckoned with. It's armed with allicin, a compound that can fight off bacteria and infections faster than you can say garlic bread. Together, these two are a formidable duo in the war against disease, working tirelessly to keep our bodies strong and healthy. They're like the Batman and Robin of the vegetable world, always ready to leap into action when danger strikes. So, next time you're at the grocery store, remember to grab these green warriors. They're not just food, they're your body's secret weapon. Ever thought of a fish as a gift? Well, if it's a wild-caught salmon, consider it a gold-wrapped present from the ocean. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill fish. Oh no, this is a supercharged omega-3 powerhouse swimming straight into your diet and making a splash in your health routine. You see, our friend the salmon doesn't just swim upstream for fun, it's on a mission much like we are on a quest for optimal health. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to embrace the spirit of a creature that transforms adversity into strength? But it's not all about the struggle. No, this fish is also about indulgence. Imagine the rich, buttery texture of the fish melting on your tongue, the subtle, smoky flavor making your taste buds dance. It's a luxury that your body will thank you for. So, if you're fishing for compliments about your radiant health, get yourself some wild-caught salmon. It's like a spa day, but for your insides. Exercise, it's not just for those with a penchant for tight spandex and gold medals. Now don't get me wrong, if you've got a closet full of spandex, more power to you. But let's be real, most of us are just trying to get the blood pumping and keep the waistline in check. Now let's talk Nordic walking. Imagine you're on a brisk walk through the English countryside, but with poles. It's like regular walking got an upgrade. No, you're not training for an Arctic expedition, you're just giving your upper body a bit of a workout too. It's a full-body exercise that's easy on the joints and great for the heart. Cross-training, on the other hand, sounds a bit intense, doesn't it? It's really just about mixing things up. A bit of cycling here, a splash of swimming there, some strength training tossed in for good measure. It keeps the body guessing and the mind engaged. And then there's the beach walk. The romantic stroll at sunset, the waves lapping at your feet, the sand between your toes. Not just a date night favorite, it's also a great way to unwind and stay active. So remember, you don't need to be an Olympian to exercise. A stroll on the beach at sunset counts too, and hey, if you can catch your own salmon while you're there, you're winning at life. All right, folks, let's recap, shall we? And no, I don't mean wrapping yourself in bubble wrap, although that could be a fun Saturday night. We've taken an unexpected journey today, from the wild oceans teeming with salmon to the verdant fields of mighty broccoli and its veggie friends. We've seen that regular exercise, be it Nordic walking, cross-training, or a leisurely stroll on the beach at sunset, isn't just for Olympians. It's for every one of us seeking to live a healthy, vibrant life. And what's cooking without a pinch of humor and a dash of easy living? A balanced diet isn't about denying yourself pleasures. It's about embracing the power of vegetables, lean proteins, and yes, even a cup of black coffee. It's about laughing at broccoli jokes and dancing to the beat of your own drum. Remember, a long and healthy life isn't about perfection. It's about balance, consistency, and occasionally laughing at broccoli jokes. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more of this healthy stuff infos. Thank you.